Thought I'd do just one of them with you, but I don't want to spend a ton of time on it because I want to give you guys some time to work here in class today. But okay, so let me zoom that in just a little bit. All right, so let's say we got this picture going on. We've got, that's 110 degrees. That's 70 degrees. So I'm going to come over here and write down a statement. You tell me if it's true or false and why. So those are the only two measurements I have to go on. Do I know if AD is parallel to BC, and if so, why? And do I know that AB is parallel to DC, and if so, why? Mm-hmm. Is for each of these statements, do you know that it's definitely true? And if it is, why?
All right.
Okay, so let's start with that first one. Do we know that AD is parallel to BC? Yes, they are. How do we know it? Yeah. Theorem 3.6. That's that consecutive, or no, not 3.6. 3.6, that's alternate interior angles. What are the 110 and the 70? What kind of angles? Right, so which one talks about consecutive interior? Right. So theorem 3.8 says if the consecutive interior angles are supplementary, are they supplementary? Yep. If the consecutive interior angles are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. Yes, that's true. So yes, because of theorem 3.8. Okay. What about AB and DC? Would it not be the same thing? Think about the two lines that you're looking at. So this is a common mistake. That's why I did this one. Okay, so here's AB. Here's DC. Those two angles that I gave you, are they consecutive interior angles for those two parallel lines? No. They're not. If I have parallel lines cut by a transversal, one transversal, if the consecutive interior angles are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So if those are my parallel lines, where's my transversal? Is it AD? Is it BC? I can't use just one. If I want both those angles, I need both those two lines, don't I? So if those are my parallel lines, then okay, then let's say this is my transversal. If that's my transversal, then I need this angle and this angle to be supplementary, right? And I don't know what the other one is, so I can't say that. Same thing with the other two. If this was my transversal right here, AD, then I would need this angle and this one to be supplementary to say that they're parallel. And I don't know that other angle there either. So I don't have enough information to say anything about AB and DC being parallel. Now the other ones were okay though, because the other two, here are your parallel lines, AD and BC. What's my transversal for that one? AB, right? I got my one transversal, consecutive interior, supplementary, everything's good. The other way though, I can't. I don't have enough information. Yeah?
I just have a question about the proofs.
Yeah. If you'd like to use a flow proof, you can. That's fine. Yep. Okay, so yes on the first one, no on the second one. So just be careful with that, okay? Be thinking about where are the parallel lines I'm trying to prove, and then where do I have to have those angles matching up the right way, okay? Sometimes it's obvious the way the picture is drawn. Sometimes it's a little trickier like this one, though. Okay, I'll let you guys get going on some homework here then.